do not take your children to school until these people have complied. We all know that there are no toilets in public schools, particularly of black African people. There are no toilets. Even those buildings that you see and refer to them as toilet, those toilets are not functioning. Let's go now. Let NG now choose any school of her choice. Let's go and inspect the toilets now. There are no toilets. The children at school, those of you who have gone to school, you will know, we drink water from the tap. We kneel there and we go down there and drink water. The other one comes after you, we queue, drink water. Our children cannot wear the mask. These things, I've tried them with all my boys. They don't last 2 minutes. Papa, remove. So, imagine when we're not there. And the story that children are going to be safe inside the school there. Let's take that argument for a second. But when they come to school, the teacher is not there. They are working together. Our children walk. Only people who don't know the situation of our children will talk this nonsense they are talking. They don't meet at the schoolyard. They meet on the road to school. Already they've infected each other. They meet in a congested taxi, congested bus. Already before they arrive at school. After infecting each other, they are told to separate. They've already infected each other. We are led by fools, non-thinkers, people who are sitting on top of their brains. We have a problem in this country.